few simple ingredients are all you need for these delicious stuffed chicken breasts that can be baked in the oven but are especially good grilled. Chop your onion, and bell pepper. You can use dried rosemary or fresh. Add some oil to a skillet and saute the onion and pepper. Combine the rosemary, a half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and 2 tablespoons olive oil in a small bowl and set aside. Place a colander in your sink and squeeze the excess water from the spinach. Then combine the spinach, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, a 1/2 cup grated mozzarella cheese, non-dairy is fine, rosemary, and the bell pepper, and stir well. Cut your chicken breasts in half lengthwise and divide the spinach mixture between the chicken breasts. Securing with toothpicks. Stir the rub mixture ingredients and rub it evenly on all sides of the chicken. These can be made several hours ahead of time and refrigerated until you're ready to grill. Grill over medium-high heat. (8 to 10 minutes each side, or until done. I hope you enjoy one of our family favorites. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.